How to get the dark mode on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then go down and choose the settings option. And here you will find a lot of options. Choose appearance, the first one, and choose the dark and click restart, and here you go. Now I have the dark mode. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.